Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vocal chops. Vocal chops are essentially small, rhythmic pieces of a vocal recording. They are incredibly versatile, acting as melodic hooks or percussive elements in many music styles. Producers often manipulate their pitch, timing, and apply various effects to create truly unique and captivating sounds. It's a fantastic way to add a distinct human touch to your tracks, transforming a simple vocal into something entirely new and exciting. To begin making vocal chops, first, you'll need a good quality vocal sample. Look for something clean with clear pronunciation and minimal background noise. Next, open your preferred digital audio workstation. Popular choices include Ableton Live or Logic Pro. The initial step involves slicing your chosen vocal into very small segments. These are typically 1/8 or 1/16 notes, creating the foundational building blocks for your creative manipulation. Now for the fun part, creative manipulation. Experiment by adjusting the pitch of each individual chop. This allows you to build entirely new melodies or even harmonies from a single vocal line. Don't shy away from applying various effects. Reverb can add space, delay creates rhythmic echoes, and distortion can give a gritty edge. Reversing some chops can also introduce really interesting sonic variations and unique transitions within your arrangement. Finally, it's time to arrange and mix your vocal chops. Start by placing them rhythmically to form a compelling musical phrase or a percussive groove. Consider layering multiple chops, perhaps with different pitches or effects, to create a much richer and more complex sound. Remember to mix your chops carefully, ensuring they sit perfectly within the overall track. Proper mixing ensures they enhance, rather than detract from, your music's impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.